today we're gonna do a little bit of DIY tutorial. So to make this full auto. So basically this M1911, and this only fires in semi-automatic, which I will demonstrate. Gonna load up some gas. By the way, I'm gonna fire this without BBs for safety reasons. So okay, slow the mag in. So this is semi-automatic. Okay. Move mag, show clear. So with a little bit few modifications, you can actually do this. Okay. So it's very easy to do, and I will show you how. So let's take the gun apart and let's do. And I'm going to show you how to do it with just two parts. Okay, let's take the gun apart. We are empty. Make sure, if you're going to do this, make sure mags is empty, and always check the chamber. Okay, so let's take it apart. So here's our upper, our slide, and we're going to need our lower. Okay, for this, take this part off. So it's very easy for me. I just do this, and there you go. The pin will come out. And take this hammer spring housing, whatever you want to call it.
So take these two pins out. A little bit tricky.
Okay, there we go. And now I'm gonna take the screw. Just take that screw and push this pin out. So okay, let's test the let's take the parts aside. So okay, this is what you need. Just two parts. The hammer. Hold on. The hammer and the hammer's here. So what you're going to do with the hammer? That's what I have here. So this for comparison. This is the modified one, and here's the stock one. So you can do this in a 1911s high capas if you wanted to go full auto. So here's what you're going to do. So basically in the stock one, you have a knob right here. What you're gonna do is just grind that off, take that off, and there's like two teeth here. So this first teeth is for half cock, and the second is for full cock. So you going to grind for the half cock teeth, and just leave the full cock. Okay. Now for the next part, the hammer's here. Again, for comparison, here's the stock one, and here's the modified one. So you want what you're gonna do is just grind a little bit of material right here. As you can see it, the stock one, just grind it right here, just like this. Okay, and just noted, if you going to do this in your semi-auto pistol, just buy a second part for your pistol. So if you want to go back to semi-automatic, you can just swap parts for semi-automatic and full auto. If you going to do this in a 1911, you can use the stock one if you want. If you can find stock parts in online shop, just buy that, because if you going to use the high cap hammer, what you're going to do is you will modify this part, this beaver tail, so it will shape like that. Because if you don't do this, it will just not fit. So okay, so let's put the full auto drop-in kit that I made. Let's set this stock parts away, and here's our hammer assembly, whatever you want to call it. It is what it is, guys. I'll already put the gun back together. I just put the gun back together off cam because I don't want you guys to get bored. So yeah, let's head out to the range. Let's try first the semi-automatic, and later let's try full auto. Hey guys, we are here in the range. By the way, I'm doing this in a safe, controlled environment when no one's around, so people will not get hurt. I loaded up 10 rounds each of 20. Here's our target, I show you. Here's our target right here. I drew a little circle so we can see the accuracy, the groupings. So here's the size comparison to my hands, as you can see. So okay, let's try to shoot it. Loading the mag. Safety on. Alright, safety off. Failure to beat. We are out of gas. Still BBs left. Let's check the target. So here is our target. The groupings are very nice. Right dead center. Here's where I'm aiming. I'm aiming here in this little hole right here. There's our groupings. So yeah. Now let's test the full auto. I'm just gonna swap parts. I'm going to do it off cam. So yeah.
Few moments later.
I already put the gun apart again. I swap parts. Okay, I have the mags loaded up. 12 rounds each, so 24. I put a new target again so we can see the accuracy of the full auto. So first I'm going to do burst, just burst, and the second mag is just a full mag down. Okay, reloaded. Safety off. We are now empty. New mag, 12 rounds. Full auto mag down. Okay, let's check the target. Here's our target. As you can see, the groupings are not that good. So if you are going to do this in your 1911 airsoft, don't expect accurate. It's not very accurate because it's basically full auto. You see right here. For comparison, this is the semi-auto. Semi-auto versus full auto. So yeah, let's try that again. Let's load up the mag. Load up the mag again. I'm going to do this off cam.
Yeah, boy.
We're already load up again. Mag in. Empty. So let's put the camera in a different angle so you can see how this works. Here's the different angle. Take note, you have to modify the hammer too. You will file this down to make it round so it will not cut on the blowback housing. Okay, let's do it. Hello. The gun is so cold. Mag is so cold. Let's do that again. First, I'm gonna load up a second mag.
12 seconds later.
Load up the second mag. Alright. So that's it, guys. If this video helps, please like and subscribe.